Have you ever wondered how a simple spice like cloves can transform your life and attract abundance today? We'll explore this fascinating topic through the lens of Buddhist teachings, revealing how placing 3 cloves in specific spots can invite wealth and prosperity into your life. Welcome to Gautama, your go-to channel for exploring the profound teachings of Buddhism and how they can enrich our daily lives. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest insights in Buddhism. Every element of our existence is interconnected, and the energy we cultivate within ourselves can greatly influence our external world. By understanding and harnessing this energy, we can create a life filled with abundance and positivity. Today, we're going to delve into a ritual involving 3 cloves and how this simple practice can help you attract wealth and protect your home. Stay tuned as we uncover the powerful symbolism of cloves rooted in ancient traditions and learn practical steps to integrate these rituals into your daily life for greater prosperity and mindfulness in Buddhism. Everything is interconnected and possesses its own unique energy. This energy, much like a magnet, attracts similar frequencies. Imagine tuning into a radio station. When you're on the right frequency, you attract the music you want to hear. Similarly, aligning yourself with the right energy can help you attract abundance and prosperity into your life. This concept closely aligns with the law of attraction, which suggests that by harmonizing your thoughts and emotions with the energy of abundance, you naturally draw more of it into your life. But what does this mean? In practical terms, our inner state, our thoughts and emotions, acts like a magnet, drawing in corresponding energies from the universe. However, negative emotions such as fear, doubt and jealousy can disturb this harmony. These feelings create barriers, obstructing the flow of positive energy. Therefore, nurturing a mindset of positivity and gratitude is essential. By doing so, you align yourself with the higher frequencies of abundance and open the door to wealth and prosperity. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can help maintain this positive energy. Simple practices such as mindful breathing, gratitude journaling and positive affirmations can significantly shift your energy. Remember the goal is to maintain a high frequency that resonates with abundance, inviting wealth and prosperity into your life. Naturally, with our newfound understanding of the energy of abundance, let us delve into a simple yet powerful ritual that can draw wealth and prosperity into your life. Picture this: a humble clove, a small reddish-brown spice, revered not only for its culinary uses, but also for its protective and spiritual properties. For centuries, across diverse cultures, cloves have been cherished as a talisman for protection and a magnet for good fortune. Now imagine using this ancient wisdom in your own life, invoking the clove's age-old magic to attract the prosperity you seek. In the context of Buddhist teachings, cloves symbolize purification and the warding off of negative energies. Historically, cloves were highly valued not only for their flavor, but also for their medicinal and spiritual benefits. They were often used in rituals to cleanse spaces and protect against harm. By incorporating cloves moves into your daily practices, you can harness their powerful energy to invite abundance into your life. In the upcoming sections, I'll guide you through 3 simple yet effective rituals involving cloves. These practices are designed to protect your home, enhance your financial well-being, and create a positive, abundant environment. By integrating these rituals into your routine, you can align yourself with the energy of abundance and attract wealth and prosperity effortlessly. The 3 rituals. Ritual 1. Planting cloves for protection and prosperity. For the first ritual, you'll need 3 cloves and a plant known as mother-in-law's tongue, also called a snake plant. This plant is known for its hearty nature and air-purifying qualities, making it perfect for this ritual. 1. Gather your materials. Start by gathering your 3 cloves in a snake plant in a pot with soil. 2. Plant. The cloves. Take the 3 cloves and plant them into the soil of the snake plant. Ensure they are well covered. 3. Significance of 3. The number 3 is significant in many spiritual traditions, including Buddhism, symbolizing creation, harmony and balance. Nikola Tesla famously highlighted the power of 3, 6 and N, referring to them as the key to understanding the universe. For placement, place the plant at the entrance of your home or office.
The entrance is a critical point for energy flow.
In your space, by placing the plant here, you invite protection and prosperity into your life. This simple act channels positive energy and abundance into your space, creating a protective barrier that wards off negative influences and attracts wealth. Ritual. 2 cloves in your safe next. Let's enhance the energy around your finances with another simple ritual. This ritual is about using your financial storage with protective and prosperous energy. 1. Gather your cloves for this ritual. You'll need 3 cloves. 2. Place the 3 cloves in the area where you store your money, whether it's a safe, a jar, a drawer, or a box. 3. Symbolism. Cloves are known to offer protection and enhance the energy of wealth. By placing them where you keep your savings, you create a potent energy field that supports financial growth. 4. Affirmation. As you place each clove, you can say an affirmation such as, I am abundant, my wealth is protected, and prosperity flows into my life. This ritual reinforces the energy of abundance in your financial life, protecting your wealth and attracting more. Prosperity Ritual 3. Creating an abundance charm. For the 3rd ritual, we'll create a portable charm that you can carry with you. This charm will serve as a constant reminder of the abundance you're attracting into your life. 1. Get a small red cloth bag. The color red is ideal because it symbolizes energy, power, and prosperity. Avoid using black as it can symbolize mourning and attract negative energy. 2. Add a coin or banknote. Place a coin or a banknote inside the bag. Ensure it is real currency, something you can actually spend to keep the energy grounded in reality. 3. Add 3 cloves. Place 3 cloves into the bag as you add. Each clove say, I am abundance. 4. Close the bag tightly. Close the bag tightly and carry it with you in your purse, wallet, or pocket. This little bag becomes a charm that continually attracts wealth, protection, and prosperity into your life. Whenever you open your purse or wallet and see the bag, it'll remind you of the positive energy you're channeling and the financial opportunities you're inviting into your life. Ritual for water. Ritual for health, wealth, and love. Finally, let's enhance our practice with a water ritual that not only attracts wealth, but also promotes health and love. 1. Prepare the water. Take a clear glass and fill it with clean water. 2. Add 3 cloves. Drop 3 cloves into the water. As you drop each clove, say, I am money, 1st clove. I am love, 2nd clove. I am health. 3rd clove. 3 placement. Place this glass at the entrance of your home or office. You can also put 1 in both places to maximize the positive energy. This ritual covers what I call the master areas of life, health, wealth, and love. By placing the charged water at key entrances, you create a protective barrier and draw in sources of abundance for you and everyone else in your space. This simple trick helps maintain a balanced and prosperous environment, encouraging positive energies to flow freely. The mindfulness connection in Buddhism. Mindfulness is the key to cultivating a life of abundance. By being fully present in each moment, we can align our thoughts and emotions with positive energy. This practice not only helps us stay grounded, but also enhances our ability to attract prosperity. Mindfulness practices such as mindful breathing, walking meditation, and gratitude journaling can significantly shift our energy. When we focus on the present moment, we reduce stress and clear our minds of negativity. This state of calm and clarity allows us to connect with the frequency of abundance. Daily mindfulness helps maintain a positive mindset, making it easier to attract wealth and prosperity. Remember, a mindful approach to life opens the door to endless possibilities and abundance. Water ritual for health, wealth, and love. Finally, let's enhance our practice with a water ritual that not only attracts wealth but also promotes health and love. 1. Prepare the water. Take a clear glass and fill it with clean water. 2. Add 3 cloves. Drop 3 cloves into the water. As you drop each clove, say, I am money. 1st clove, I am love. 2nd clove, I am health. 3rd clove. 3 placement. Place this glass at the entrance of your home or office. You can also put 1 in both places to maximize the positive energy. This ritual covers what I call the master areas of life, health, wealth, and love. By placing the charged water at key entrances, you create a protective barrier and draw in source of abundance for you and everyone else in your space. This simple trick helps maintain a balanced and prosperous environment, encouraging positive energies to flow freely. Integrating Buddhist teachings in Buddhism, the path to abundance is not just about material wealth, but also spiritual enrichment. The teachings of Buddhism offer profound insights into living a life of balance, harmony and contentment. One of the key teachings of Buddhism is the importance of generosity, known as dana. By cultivating a spirit of generosity and sharing our wealth with others, we create positive karma and contribute to the well-being of all beings. Generosity is not only about giving material possessions, but also sharing our time, knowledge and compassion. Another fundamental concept in Buddhism is the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is the antidote to feelings of lack and scarcity. By appreciating the blessing in our lives, we cultivate a mindset of abundance and attract more positive experiences, even in challenging times. There is always something to be grateful for. Buddhism also emphasizes the importance of living mindfully. Mindfulness is about being fully present in each moment without judgment or attachment. When we practice mindfulness, we become aware of our thoughts, emotions and actions, allowing us to make conscious choices that lead to greater well-being and prosperity. By integrating these teachings into our daily lives, we can create a foundation for lasting abundance and fulfillment. Whether through acts of generosity, expressions of gratitude or mindful living, we align ourselves with the natural flow of the universe and invite blessings to manifest in our lives. As we conclude our exploration of these powerful rituals inspired by Buddhist teachings, let's take a moment to reflect on the profound wisdom we've uncovered. These rituals offer more than just a way to attract material wealth. They provide a pathway to deeper spiritual fulfillment and contentment. By aligning ourselves with the energy of abundance and prosperity, we not only enhance our own lives, but also contribute positively to the world around us. Remember, it's not just about the rituals themselves, but the intention and energy we bring to them, whether it's planting cloves for protection and prosperity, infusing our finances with positive energy, or carrying an abundance charm with us wherever we go. Each practice is a reminder of our innate connection to the abundance of the universe. Thank you for joining me on this journey of mindful exploration. May these teachings serve as a guiding light on your path to abundance and prosperity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gautama for more insights into living a mindful and abundant life. Thank you.